Hi, I'm Chef Stevie and welcome to A Fresh Take. Today we're going to redo fried rice. So we're going to redo fried rice today. Chinese takeout has a bad rap for not being very healthy. You can make it at home, but if you're using rice, you have to make that the day before because you want to use cold leftover rice. If you're watching your carbs, you just want to save time, I'm going to show you how to make it really easy using cauliflower instead of rice. So I have a head of cauliflower here, and we're just going to put it in the food processor and pulse it until it looks like rice. You want to try and break it up into smaller pieces as you put it in, because if not, you'll get a bunch of rice and then one big chunk of cauliflower in the middle. You'll have to dig it out. So just try and break it up as you throw it in there. And then we're just going to pulse it. And we'll see how it's starting to break up. See, it looks like rice. So today I'm actually making a vegetarian fried rice, and for protein we're going to have peas, cashews, and eggs. You could add meat to this if you wanted, or seafood. So I've already scrambled 2 or 3 eggs. You want to scramble in your wok, and then, well, you don't have more pans to wash. So I'm just going to put a little more sesame oil. And then I'm going to take some chopped up carrots and celery, onions and garlic, and put them in and saute them down. You could also add water chestnuts or any other hard, firm vegetable at this point that you wanted to add. Then add pineapple if you want it. Get some fresh pineapple and cube it, or even canned diced pineapple. Once that's started to cook down, I have some mushrooms and some peas that I'm going to add. This would be when you'd add any other more tender vegetables, like if you wanted to add broccoli or bok choy. I really love the smell of that sesame oil. Makes me think of a Chinese restaurant. So now I'm going to add the cauliflower rice. It doesn't take very long to cook because it's in small pieces. And you still want it to have a little bit of a crunch. Add a little bit more sesame oil if you need to. You don't want to add broth or water, because then that will start to steam the cauliflower rather than stir fry it, and you'll get mushy fried rice. We'll add a little soy sauce. Just break up the scrambled egg with a spatula so that it gets all throughout the rice. Okay, so here you have your cauliflower fried rice. You could also add some bean sprouts or some green onions on top, or what I like, hot chili oil. That's good. So thanks for joining me, Chef Stevie, on A Fresh Take. And if you want this recipe for cauliflower fried rice, just go to chefstevie.com.